Hi, my name's Jeff Thomas. I'm the CEO of Glue and one of the founders. I wanted to talk to you today about how we can study better in this online hybrid learning environment that we're faced in late 2020. The most important part of learning is making sure that you learn everything when you need to know it. When you start to fall behind in college, learning stacks up. So what I'm talking about is, so let's say you skip learning one equation, then the next class you're building on that equation and it keeps on going and going and going. You get farther and farther behind, studying becomes harder, and eventually you get overwhelmed, frustrated, and your grade suffers. What we've done at Glue is we've designed an app that helps conquer this problem and helps you get ahead. What this allows you to do is keep track of everything you're supposed to learn, step by step, and stay on top of it. It means that if you're starting to fall behind, it'll automatically flag this for you and you can get help. Glue will show you in-depth video tutorials that'll show you step by step how you can take care of whatever you're looking to learn. And then it'll also have question and answers with our study professionals, and it'll give you additional help from people that are in your exact class. The first step to using Glue is to digitize your notes. What this means is you just take a picture of your notes with your smartphone, put it on our service, and we'll turn it from your handwritten notes into typed notes for you. We'll also improve graphics, and this will make it very easy for you to study. This also makes it so you can search your notes. You'll be able to write papers from your notes, see exactly what you're studying, and that makes things go much more smoothly in the class and helps you stay organized and on top of things. Additionally, if you use Glue Unlimited, that'll allow you to see notes from other students in your class. When you're looking at notes from other students in your class, you get different perspectives on exactly what you're supposed to study, and it allows you to make the most of your grade and your time in college. So start using Glue today. We'll walk hand in hand with you and we'll help you get through this semester.